Hello guys, I hope you are doing well. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to test a BJT transistor or bipolar junction transistor. It can be NPN or PNP. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, we have to make sure that our probe is correctly inset. The black should go in the COM and the red should go in the positive one. And I will set my multimeter in the continuity mode to check if my component is not on short circuit. I will test it. As you can see, I didn't get nothing. I didn't get zero or byte. My multimeter didn't byte. That means that my components are good. But there is one step to make sure that 100% our component is good. And then we have to set our multimeter in the diode mode. As you can see, the multimeter has like diodes inside. And then I set my multimeter in the diode mode to test if I will get the diode reference. As you can see, 0.07 or point something. You already know that. And then I have my NPN. The base is the P. So, and my base is in the middle, the positive one. I have to set it. And then as you see the value, 0.690, and the other is 0.685. That means my transistor is 100% good. And then if I reverse, I shouldn't get nothing. As you can see, I don't get nothing. I test it like a diode. Right now, I will go in the PNP. I will do the same thing. The in, now the black is in the middle. As you can see, the base. And then I will probe the other pin. And then you see the diode reference. The other one also. That means both of them are good. Now let me show you a tips how to recognize the collector and the emitter. First, test your multimeter normally as we did before, and we will see 0.685, and that is it. And the others give 0.690. 0.690 is the higher. That means that the other pin is our emitter, and we will do the same thing. The first one is 0.609. The other is 0.693. You can see that the last one is higher than the other. So that means that the other pin is our emitter. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe. Push the notification bells to don't miss any video. Thank you. I will see you.